Kids, do you like violence? Blah blah blah. Well, nothing. I did not say a thing. From out of the sky, tacos. No need to. Oh my God. No need to ask why. Open your eye, close your mouth, and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining da 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 da. It's like a dream. Okay, guys, welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza.
Wow! Can I have a pizza?
Freddy Pizza.
Can I have a pizza?
Just wait, man. Oh, hello, Mr. Killer 1239.
What is this?
That is Freddy, Chica, Cupcake, hands up, Carl, and Bonnie. What? These are not real, okay? They're just dead bodies.
Say what?
Nothing.
Do you say dead body?
No, I did not say that. Okay, these are employees only.
Post only?
Oh shit! You almost fell off the staircase. Sorry, I wasn't talking in the game. Is in real life, by the way. Okay. Okay. Employees only. Hi, kids. Do you want file? What are you doing there? Hey, I said employees only. No, you don't work here. No,
What?
you don't work here. You can't go in this room.
Why?
You don't work here.
Can I join?
No,
Why?
because you aren't old enough. You literally look like a 6-year-old.
Fine. Please.
No.
Why?
You build stupid stuff like poo-poo.
No.
No, you're not
I'm
allowed.
never gonna make that.
You made poo-poo tons of times.
Bunny?
Huh? What? What's up, Bonnie? High five. Did I do one? Hit each other. High five, bruh.
We do.
No! Hit him!
Fine, stop.
Ano?
Learn the more.
I'm not actually hurting you. This is fucking creative mode. Hey, you guys try to bully me.
I'm gonna help you.
Bonnie, why do you sound like that? I have never...
I got choked.
Got what?
Choked.
Why do you sound like this? I'm gonna help you. Like something like that. You sound like a minion.
Can I help? Mama.
How old are you? How old are you?
Nine.
Not allowed.
Not allowed.
By the way, you didn't even make that skin. I made my skin by myself.
I am going to leave.
Bye-bye. I was trying to let... Okay, if you really want to join, just wait. I'm gonna make a signing.
Ako bigay ban.
Rot lang ka work lang din nga daat. Dear oh, killer.
Kamu ni God ni ng build. Nag-laugh ka mo so hard. Tema, ban, nag-rain all day, ban. Nag-stop. Bagyo naman eh. Bagyo. Okay. Ban, you're not doing anything.
Just wait! Sorry.
Why did you shout? Why did you shout, Fox? What are you doing, Bunny? Bunny? Why you look like that? Build something. That's stupid.
Okay, just wait.
I got no place to hide.
Keep an eye on the top. Your friends will show you.
Wow.
Hi kids, do you like violence? What are you doing here, Springtrap? Oh, I should say Springbutt. Yeah, your name's Springbutt. On the time with the light by your side. Stick around, don't be. Okay, so. Oh my god, Toy Bonnie, what the hell happened to you? Hello?
No.
Can you even talk?
Yes.
Hindi dapat sa chat, hindi ka ba here na?
What happened to you?
Here's a book. That's the book. Oh, I forgot, which one?
But I have to build something.
Here, no, here you go, here's the book.
Where's the book?
RC, it's in your inventory.
Nothing.
What the hell is that? Read it. Press the right page. You have to put your name. Butangan mo age mo na. Imo nga na.
Tulog si Marian. Over.
Hindi siya. Okay, did you put how old you are?
Tulog siya.
Ano ka nga old?
Tulog siya, Ban. Wala pa. Ban. Tulog si Marian.
What the You want to sit down to oh, hindi siya. Here, put that you're 9 years old.
Burning! What's burning?
Hey, it's normal. He's stop. Get the book. Get the book. Get the book right here. Hey, Toy Bonnie, give it. Give it. Toy Bonnie.
Hey, go.
Why the hell do you look like that?
Take that, Bunny. I'm out.
You're 9 years old? Okay, great. Sign.
Fun. My dad is almost here. We're gonna play our word kung tumanuban. Wala ko ganay mo yung mga baba o mga balay. Fun. What are you doing?
We're playing.
What? Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay.
Enter.
Please
Fun.
stop doing that. Ako si nanay.
Place to hide on the child. What will show you why?
Ako si anak. What happened to Bunny? Ako si Bunny.
Sign and close.
Guys, sino kaya guys?
Glamrock Freddy, bro. Okay, here. Have the book.
I love you all. Ano yung mo skin, Bunny?
Foxy.
I love Freddy. You know, I love Freddy, right?
Sup, Hey, Freddy. You want me to kick you in the ass?
Freddy!
Look at me. Look at me, you son of a fucking bitch. Just because you're new doesn't mean you can take stuff, okay? I'm the original. I've been here since 2000.
He hears us. Nothing.
I said
Shout it.
frickin'. Stop.
Nag-black si mo mata. May dot sa mata mo.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
Dot. I'm an eyelid. That's my eyeball.
black nga mali mo lang.
Oh, that is my eyeball. Look, lanto lay. Spicy mo ginabala, ito mo.
Yagi, kayo lang. Hindi, kasi
What?
What?
This is your house?
Si Freddy.
This is Freddy.
Ako lang ka na si Bonnie.
Okay. You have a skin yet? The skin?
No. Read, Bonnie, read. Kano ba ang your husband na patay?
Okay, since we already have a Bonnie, we have a Freddy.
Hoy, sino si Freddy? Di sa stage?
Si Eli. Hey, Freddy, come here.
What is it, Foxy?
Go to the stage. Si Sophia, si Chica.
You got no place to hide.
Ay! Psst! Eh, man ka, Dodi. Nanto ah.
What the hell?
Look, come inside the Miss Pizzeria. Hurry up! Get your places! Get on the stage! Walang todo animatronic kami sa tuod. What the fudge do you want?
Well, wow, no! Si Man, kung mag-iyo, sila man, kung mag-storya, sila si mo, mas scream ka dapat kag scared, no?
Freddy! Psst, he's gone.
Go upstairs.
Guys, time to close. It's closed, guys.
Let's open! Yahoo!
Hindi, aging hulat lang.
Close pa?
May nimo pa ko.
Ako si Bonnie, you animatronics, kimput, no?
Yeah. Hindi, Arda sila si Freddy. Ako si Foxy.
Ako si Bonnie.
Pwede, isa sa inyo dapat bata.
Pagay ko, be?
Ha? Sino?
Si Freddy?
Ha?
Hindi si ano na, Eli? Ako yan si Bonnie, ang rabbit.
Ako si Foxy.
Uti si Eli, naiya si Eli. Si Freddy gani. Kain siya. Si Freddy mo nagyapan nga lang niya.
Glamrock Freddy, not si... Oh, si Bonnie. Move to this place of the stage.
Ako si G, ako lang si Bonnie.
Pasi namin yun si Shadow. Si Shadow Freddy.
Sino to yan? Sino to yung isang player?
Si Eman.
Monica.
Withered.
Monica.
Hindi, abalo. Tanan ni Freddy, oh. Toy Freddy. Normal Freddy.
Glamrock.
Withered Freddy.
Glamour.
Glamrock Freddy. Toy Freddy. Bala.
Kapantong Freddy.
Hindi, abalo.
Buang.
Tapos si Nightmare
Si Eli na si Freddy. Ay, ikaw lang lain. Bala.
Paborito, gitna.
Si Golden Freddy kaya.
Oh yeah, my favorite to remember.
What the frick? Manijora, ni
Di ba daw mo-form si Golden Freddy? Kaya siya si Fred Bear?
Ano si Bonnie, balaban?
Siya rin kagat ni Fred Bear. Hindi siya si Fred Bear.
Oh yeah. Ako si Fred Bear, paborito ko sa. My Nightmare Fred Bear, gani.
Oh, glowing eyes. Yeah, this is my creation, by the way.
Ako nag-ano ba? Sibo.
I know.
Where's Freddy?
I'm gonna be there.
Oh, where's Freddy? Oh, where's Freddy?
Where's Freddy? Bonnie, you want me to kick your ass?
Man kag to sa stay. Sino na iya?
It's Eli. Eli Hata.
Man ikaw si Freddy, man.
Around, don't be shy. Just don't listen to the phone guy.
Banhaw.
Bonnie, since you're an employee, you can go in here.
Kids know.
Ha? Dapat na-download mo din
Okay,
nga
no? Ano ba?
daan.
No kids. Only kids. No adults with big dicks.
Yeah, earlier I put kids only, no people with big hairy dicks, or
Or big.
people that had sex. Yeah, that's what Gub said.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but that's kind of racist.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. Bye, Bonnie.
Boy, uni.
Okay, Bonnie. Oh, shit. Bonnie, can you close up my coffin?
Coffee.
Bonnie!
Why you sleep there?
I sleep in this thing.
Why?
Because this is
I made
where I
it.
live. I made it.
Intento lang ng manager.
Me.
Intento lang nga ghost
In
ko.
the cage. The manager,
Hindi mo
yeah.
kuya, kuya nga Five Nights at Freddy fans for pizza.
Oh, Fazbear Frights. Bala, dira si Springtrap.
Pag siya, no?
Mga phantoms, yes.
Si Fred Bear yun.
Oh, sleep na taka mo.
Sino nga, din the end, si Fred Bear. Dino siya si
Sa
Fred.
Fred Bear's Family Diner. Amo ang original mo. Gin-change nilang sign
Ano
Freddy.
yung obstructed?
Ano?
Meaning hindi pwede mo sleep on. Wait, let me see that.
Oh, bed is obstructed.
But it's unstopped dead.
Just wait.
Because there's a
Don't listen.
Oy! Might!
Sleep here.
Wait. I'm gonna call myself. Kung nakita to, ba naman ako? Oy, mate na mo!
Time to sleep in my fucking coffin. Wait a minute, where's the puppet? I need to check on the puppet. I need to wind it up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Where's the...
Me.
You're not the puppet. You're not. Oh yeah, the Bob co-worker day. Siya si Chika, ko.
He loves puppet.
She.
She loves puppet. Imo, doon para makabounce out.
Oh yeah.
Hindi blado imo, sabla para makasaka. Kung pinduton yung lever, masaka sa.
Hindi, pwede scaffolding mo po. You know what that is?
Okay.
Hindi lang din.
Hello, my nice. Open the door.
Wala mo ni. Okay, dayon, mabutang ko isang trapdoor.
Yeah.
Bar trapdoor.
Wow.
Boom. Just wait. I said boom!
Siyan. Sabi ko gift chura, ya.
Just wait, I'm not done yet. Now, the puppet can... Oopsie.
Can
Sleep
poop?
here.
Can poop.
Hey, Bonnie!
What?
I'm making here. I'm building.
Bonnie, what? Sino na yung riddle?
Ah!
Riddle of booties?
Uh-oh.
Tara.
Oh, this is the... Ah!
He can sleep with using his booty farted.
Huh?
I know Springtrap and sino si Ballora? Mama niya, no?
Clara Afton.
Sino?
Clara Afton.
Yeah. Nagsex na ng Springtrap.
What the f... Why did you talk about sex?
I don't know.
Ah,
Ballora?
God, hey, dugay na. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Why people talk too
Yung mga dok eh.
Ah! People talk too much about FNAF lore. Okay, I want MacPat to do the explaining, not you guys.
Just stand here. I am surprised. Just open this box.
I am.
Kling, oh, shit.
Just open this box. Hey, come here too. Open the box.
Oops.
I know, nakita ko siya. Dumdamon, ang danga orange na shelter box.
Yes, open it.
Okay, I know how to open it.
No! No!
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
My roller coaster!
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Oops.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that's what I have. That's why I have anger issues.
Wow.
I fixed it.
No!
Run. Yo, not fire aspect.
Aspect.
Fire aspect sword.
Aspect.
Kani, kapila na natagsak, hindi na ako mambago.
May kubragan!
Oh no, flaming arrow.
Ah.
Imablado ko gidlat.
I got an idea. So I'm gonna put harming, instant harming, one shot ni, hulat lang.
Wait, paras tayo? Nga bow?
One shot bow, look at this.
Wait, nagamit ko muna nga ano? Muna nga ano?
Good
mga
idea.
arrows?
Slash enchant at S. Oh, what's it called again?
Ano gani? Ano?
That's right, Volta.
What lang?
Wait, I have to put this
Yan,
back.
ano ito mapatay ako si mo? Enchant bow.
Enchant ko ganyan bow. Anong enchantments ang bow? Punch! Punch 3.
Wala, enchant, ano bla? Do quick charge.
Quick charge!
Wala ko, mo na. Quick charge.
Basi dapat mo. Damn it!
Wala mo gamit yung quick charge.
Ano?
Quick charge na weapon.
Hindi ko balo.
Affect quick charge.
Sharp.
Yes. Quick charge.
Ay, hold on.
Let's go to the weather.
S. Ano gani? Sharp.
Yes.
Five.
Stop, may muon ko.
Oh,
One shot eye.
whoa, wait, I remember that. Can enchant ko.
Kab! So quick killan to wa. Hindi naton gid makita ang flames. Oh shit.
What?
Walang hindi manong fire. Just don't listen to the
You're the liar.
phone guy.
Oh my God.
He died.
Back.
I feel you.
Bana nabla do, ano ba? Sin harming. Ito para makawan na sila. Wait, ano ganun ba? Quick charge, tano na.
Oh,
Hindi ko yun.
Minecraft.
Makabay ka kaya lang.
Hindi.
Hindi, Slash. Oh, no, enchant. Enchant. At S. Ano gani? No. S. Smite.
Nakita mo ganang M? Anong smite? Ano ba ang ang doon ang miles shot? Miles shot.
Wala ko na balaan ng oras. Lipat kami. Gane, wala ko na balaan. Kigan, magid ko yan. Hindi ko balaan. Respiration. Some of these I don't even know. Smite. What else here?
I want silk touch na. Frostwalk. What are you? Oh my
Multi-shot!
Multi-shot, I love. Wait, di ba mo natiro mo?
Oh. Guess what? I'm gonna use it.
Let's do it.
That's so weird.
Guys,
Ah, bro.
di ba lang normal balls?
Fire respect.
Run.
Oh, what the Intercommunity. Well, by the way, let's go get a new bow.
Yo!
Wala man nag-kick,
Tuso? Wait, oh.
I think you're supposed to enchant it on arrows. What are we supposed to use multi?
Wait, search pala sa YouTube. How can I enchant every enchanting enchanting. Search pala sa YouTube.
No.
How can we enchant quick charge? Ano ba? Nether fortress.
It's immediately. Oh, this is so fun and lucky. Right in a soul sand valley. Oh, how many spawners does this thing have? Let's go see.
I will build that at home. Wait, di ba una do castle na nga sa Nether?
Castle, good money.
Tingnan ko ba?
Guys, the nether mo. Guys, I got an idea. What if we try to fix the nether fortress?
How?
Get the stuff, like, nether bricks.
Oh my gosh.
You can build it for 1 hour and 5 hours or nothing.
No, we can just see one of these broken pieces. We can just try to make it look normal.
You want in home though?
Like, you see this,
Wait.
right? I can just fix it like that.
Yeah, I'm dumb.
We'll just put normals, and then you just put signs warning. Fuck you.
But don't jump in this cliff. The
Danger.
stupid weather, don't jump in this cliff. The stupid weather. The stupid weather.
Hold on. Stupid weather.
Stupid weather, don't jump in this. Don't jump in the.
Don't jump off.
in this cliff.
Guess what I would do? Helicopter, helicopter.
Piglins, stop. Ano ba? Basta
Wala
piglin.
kayo bala. Helicopter, helicopter.
Si Superman, balila. That guy just jumped. What? Aba sa mga piglin? Mine na. Aba sa mga piglin. Aba sa piglins, confusing na again.
Oh shit.
Aba sa piglins.
Guy fell off.
Aba sa piglins. Pang ulog, blind to lang abi nila survival ka. Sige na ban. Abi nila survival ka ban.
Gab.
Hiday. Ang piglins into sila nga naulog.
Piglins. Hi, piglins. Uy.
No.
Ow.
Nigam ako. What is that sound? Screaming. I am back. What is that guy? That's look weird. You're so help, mommy. He not a mom. You killed him, you motherfucker.
I kind of miss the old regular piglins.
Iron.
Piglin. Just wait, just wait.
I miss all the regular piglins.
They're not here anymore.
I miss the regular
I
piglins.
miss the regular piglins. Yeah.
Maganda sila, pero like zombie. Yung miss kong zombie piglin, old. Now you have your ancestor.
You have your ancestors, and you have ancestors, and these are your first ever ancestors. Your ancestors.
Amali lang, why is these pigs?
What are these us doing here? What the hell are these? They look like us, but more from Earth. Yeah, we live in
Amali
hell.
lang. Where your ancestor? Amali lang. What the fuck? Butang ng zombie piglins man. Kayla, ancestor. Ay, butang naman sa nga na dumahulog to sila. Oh.
Let's wait, okay. This is the new zombie piglin. Get out of here.
Do para si Zoglin. Do para si zombie piglin. Para sa may piglins.
Ayun ka ba?
But a zombie.
In the nether fortress.
Hi, Lai.
The big portal. Yoo-hoo!
Big portal. Yo!
Put the...
Got an idea.
Wait, go
What
bang
the
portal. Go bang portal.
What?
Ano niya portal?
What?
Guys, sulod taliwat sa portal.
Ay, sulod sa portal.
Here.
Sudla.
Sulod.
Hey!
Sulod.
Ikaw lang, sila lang first. Upod ka mo na nila,
Let's go. 3,
2, 1,
go.
Ay!
Sige na, sulod ito.
Ay, go.
Hello?
Dahil din ka na.
Hello, killer. Ay,
Giga kong portal.
bad.
Yes, no.
Ay!
Ilay, pili na siya, man!
Di na portal man, sulod be. Yung buguba nila, all the portals. Wait, yung isang portal. Kapila, daw mo portal!
Wait, what?
Yes, may isa pang nga portal.
Nga may portal day! Oh, ay,
Nag-spawn ang portal?
No, he built it. I know, I'm not dumb.
They have to.
What did you say? You want me to kick you?
Hoy, siga na! Mo na the portal, gusto. No, he gonna burn it. He's gonna burn it.
Burn.
Hoy, sunod sa portal. Wait, can we defeat? Wait, tag to sa another fortress kayo, untang balay.
Burn yung, no?
Bakit kag to sa another fortress, tapos i-build ang another fortress to normal? Muna bra, butang din ang ancestors sa mga piglins.
Tao?
Pigs.
Ganda sa nether.
Remember? Ban, ancestors sa mga piglins.
Hulat lang.
Bad.
Game. Oh, hulat lang game mode.
Bad.
Ha? Hulat lang.
Survive all mouth.
Para si, ano.
Para si Popo. Create
Sarang mo lang?
hot dog.
Eli.
Sarang mo lang?
Eli.
Ha?
We're Superman, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Ano?
See you here?
Yarr! You oh shit, wrong way.
Sleep na mo.
Hitman sa man eh, hitman sa.
I feel you.
No, nothing.
Lagyo!
Like, doon di sa akong teleportan ka.
Hello, killer.
Ish, Eli. Hindi sa makagawa visitor sa.
Okay.
Okay, hindi mo sunugo na. Pabalik ta ko normal. Kung isunugo mo.
Mango pa dyan. Si Bonbon na nag-imo si mo niya, kaya lamalam, hindi ako.
Ay na! Pero kung ma-do ka something bad, may cage deodor yung tanang yung tao nga bad.
Nandun sa cage.
Teleport ka kada.
Hindi
Where? Where's the cage?
Ardio.
Give pa creative mo sa.
Oo!
Only way out dapat, hindi dapat ma-die.
Oo, may timer na. The better thing you do, dapat.
The better than
The thing you do, the longer you're here.
the bad thing that you do, the bad thing spawn.
Wow, look at me.
Bano?
Wow, look at that.
Ikaw mo pa spawn sa may buslot na baba. Kung may mabade, survival.
Look at this.
Kani.
Look here. Let me shoot the score.
I feel you.
Kung
Gab,
saan,
I got an idea. Gab, ano lang na, ginano nilang ice.
Let me get the storm.
I feel you.
I am picking a storm.
So, magunta ka, sa akong balang hammer ni Thor.
Tama. Bangkaw ako niya.
Ha? Bangkaw ka pa dyan.
Like, can I have your sneakers on there? I'm gonna kick the tama. I'm gonna kick the tama.
Where are you?
Hey, you got my slipper. Hey.
Eli, share lang nga sa pro.
But I didn't for me. Hurry, girl.
Ban, nagabad no?
Ano wow? Ano no, Braya? Ano? Ano no, Braya?
Transform.
Hoy! Gusto mo ano, takas cage?
Kada si cage, ban. Ipagkado sa cage.
I feel you.
Ban, ipagkado sa cage ya.
Gusto mo, Ged?
Block,
Wala ko may nobra, Gab. Mimo lang ko di siyang zombie sa dalam cage. Hindi. Bad ka, o nga, ay mo, ang taka king. Pangaway, ay gabad ka. Te, build lang nga, di ka break.
I can break anything. What's going on?
Hindi ka maka-break. Build lang. Oy! Lahay!
Ban!
Ano ka?
Like me.
No, you're just going to do bad stuff. Pero pwede ka gyapon wala ka build ba tagamay?
Oh, look a break.
Build lang gani.
No.
Ayo baby, I'm recording right now. On YouTube.
Ay mo ako look. Mickey.
Why? Tell me. Will you do bad stuff or not?
Not.
If you do, you're going to be turned into visitor mode.
Harry.
If you break anything,
Custom sa.
Thanks. Pinili mo ko na Lion Star Ban.
nga mano kahaw.
Please Ban.
Mano kahaw gani.
Yan.
What are you gonna do, huh? Why you want to be king, huh?
I want.
Why? Because if you're king, you can literally do anything.
Mama break. Yes, stop na dun.
Aha, you left the game.
Okay.
Lai!
Ha?
Nga, agin pa peaceful mo. Why is it always peaceful? Question mark. Stupid zombie. Monster.
Lion,
Hey, what are you doing?
Ma, play ta sa ano ba sa Roblox Labo Quebec.
No.
Ban, ikaw? Ban, ikaw? Mag-ampang
No.
Labo Quebec.
It looks so funny. Look at that. Near.
I don't play some Minecraft because I like Minecraft Star.
Yeah, but you keep doing bad stuff.
Tiga, ano na lang ko? Game mo sa best armor, best sword. Hindi ako.
Okay, bye guys.